take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this.
Let me ask you a simple question. If I stop your supply chain today and ask, where exactly is your inventory? Which supplier is about to fail? Which customer order is at risk right now? If your answer starts with, let me check the system, or worse, I will get back to you tomorrow, you are not managing supply chain, you are guessing. This is data blindness, and it's one of the biggest reason modern supply chain fails quietly. Today I will break down what data blindness really means, why dashboards don't fix it, the hidden cost no one talks about, and how to actually regain visibility. Stay till the end because the solution is not another tool. What is data blindness? Data blindness doesn't mean no data. Most companies are drowning in data. ERP report, Excel sheets, supplier portals, transport updates, quality logs. The problem is this: you have data, but you don't have clarity. Data blindness happens when information is delayed, data is fragmented across systems, teams don't trust the numbers, decisions are made on update snapshots. So you think you see your supply chain, but you are actually looking in the rear view mirror. By the time a problem appears in a report, the damage is already done. The illusion of visibility. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Dashboards give the illusion of control. Green, yellow, red indicators look impressive in meetings. But ask this: is the data real time? Is it end to end? Is it connected across functions? Most dashboard shows procurement data in isolation, logistics data in isolation, manufacturing data in isolation. That's not visibility, that's silos with better graphics. Real visibility means seeing how one delay triggers 10 downstream problems instantly. Where data blindness starts? Data blindness usually starts in 4 places. First, fragmented systems. ERP doesn't talk to WMS. TMS doesn't talk to suppliers. Spreadsheets fill the gaps and introduce errors. Second, manual data entry. Any process that depends on human update status is already broken. People update late or not at all. Third, supplier opacity. Tier 2 and Tier 3 suppliers are invisible. You only notice them when something goes wrong. Fourth, functional thinking. Each team optimizes their own KPI. No one owns the flow. When no one owns the flow, no one sees the full picture. The real cost of data blindness. Data blindness is expensive, but not in obvious way. It shows up as excess inventory just to be safe, expedited freight cost, missed customer commitments, firefighting culture, burn out teams. Worst of all, leaders make big strategic decisions based on partial truth. New suppliers, new market, new capacity, all decided with blind spots baked in. That's how small data gap turn into enterprises level failures. Why more tools don't fix the problems? Most companies respond like this: we need a new tool. So they buy another visibility platform, another analytics layer, another AI dashboard. But the core problem remains: poor data quality, no ownership, no decision accountability. Technology doesn't create visibility, behavior does. If teams don't act on insights, data is just decoration. What really visibility actually looks like? Real supply chain visibility has three traits. 1. End to end flow, from supplier raw material to customer delivery, no breaks. 2. Event based, not report based. You don't wait for a weekly report, you respond to expectations in real time. 3. Decision ready data. The system doesn't just say what happened, it suggests what to do next. And most importantly, someone is accountable for acting on the insight. Visibility without action is noise. How to start fixing data blindness? You don't fix data blindness overnight, but you can start today. Step 1. Map your decision points, not your system. Ask, where do we lose time? Where do decisions get delayed? Where do teams argue about data accuracy? Step 2. Focus on critical flows, not everything. Fix visibility there first. Step 3. Make visibility someone's job. Pick one product, one lane, one supplier group, not IT, not analytics, a business owner. Because if everyone owns visibility, no one does. Supply chain don't fail because people are careless. They fail because leaders are blind to what's really happening. If you can't see your supply chain clearly, you can't control it. And if you can't control it, you are always reacting. If this video helped you see data blindness differently, like, subscribe and share it with someone who still thinks dashboard equal visibility. And tell me in the comments, where do you feel the biggest blind spot in your supply chain today? See you in the next one. Thank you.